Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed in as an administrator and your device stays powered. Don't skip that. Once ready, go to Settings, Update and Security, Recovery, then choose Restart Now under Advanced Startup. After Reboot, pick Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and UEFI Firmware Settings to enter the BIOS environment. Make sure to hold Shift while clicking Restart if fast startup interferes. This gets you straight into the UEFI interface, where Secure Boot controls live. Once in UEFI, navigate to the Security, Boot, or Authentication tab. Manufacturers place Secure Boot in different spots. You're looking for Secure Boot Control or Secure Boot Mode. Note the current state so you can revert if needed. Select the option and change it to Disabled or an option labeled Other OS. This is the action that turns off signature enforcement. Make sure to use the keyboard or on-screen prompts to confirm the change, so it's recorded in firmware settings. Save your changes with F10 or the Save and Exit menu, then confirm and let the system reboot. You've just disabled Secure Boot. If the machine fails to boot or complains about missing signatures, go back into UEFI and either re-enable Secure Boot or restore defaults to recover. Once done, consider updating your BIOS if Secure Boot options were absent, and check compatibility support module settings. If problems persist, note the error and consult your motherboard manual for vendor-specific recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.